got a new shampoo and conditioner. Man,
Lexus, have you ever seen Avatar: The Last Airbender? Oh, dang. Look at those chicken and biscuits you got. Oh, perfect. Amazing. Oh! Who the heck put more stuff on the fire? Because this looks really good.
I did.
Wait, what? Wait, what? I put it on that long. Yeah, I know. For legit though, like Alexis has been gone for so freaking long trying to actually poop.
Okay, but like
Okay.
you gotta trek to go find a good place.
Yeah, you do, but this has been too long. 10 minutes, she'll be back. Okay, yeah, I'll take that bet. Oh, ow, man. What? It's been 10 minutes.
Devin? Can a couple of people just come with me just to make sure we're good?
Alexis?
I don't think she's in. Alexis? Shit. Alexis? Alexis? Can't see it very. Yeah. What the fuck is that? Okay. Shit. Wait. Okay, be careful.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Okay.
I don't. Guys.
Alexis.
Aiden, stop.
Okay.
Holy